Hello everyone, welcome back to TechPorn, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Temu referral code for discounts. So if you want Temu referral codes for discount, then follow along. First of all, open your Temu app and then create or log into your account. Once logged in, go to the use section from the bottom of the page. Now here search for deal hubs. Once you find it, click on it. Now here you will find different deals. Now click on coupons. After you click on it, here you can see different coupons which you can apply and different credit bonuses from which you can withdraw different items. Temu coins, where you can get Temu coins and get exclusive rewards by spending. You can also go to coupon and offers section to see whatever unused coupons and offers there are and whatever you have used and if they have been expired or not. You can find different referral codes and you need to put them carefully, and once accepted, the discounts or rewards will be applied automatically. And that's it. Now we are using a Temu referral code from which you can get discounts. And thank you for watching, and follow us for more tips and tutorials.